Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting inside YouTube Studio, sign in and go straight to the audio library. Once there, use the search box and filters, genre, mood, duration, to find tracks that match your pace and mood. Preview tracks with the play button to check energy, instrumentation, and length. Make quick decisions. If a track is too long, note it. If it's the right mood but needs trimming, plan to edit locally. Download the MP3 or add to your list so you don't lose the selection. Once you've downloaded the file, import it into your video editor and place it on its own audio track beneath your dialogue or clips. Make edits. Trim the start/end, loop short pieces, or stretch to fit scene timing. Use crossfade or fade handles for smooth joins. Adjust gain so voice remains clear. Lower music by 612 dB under speech, then fine-tune while playing the full sequence. Save a project copy before major edits so you can revert if needed. To finish, add subtle fades at scene boundaries, enable sidechain ducking or manual automation for dialogue clarity, and apply mild EQ to reduce frequency conflicts. Export a short test clip first and listen on headphones and speakers to confirm balance and absence of pops. If you encounter issues, music won't import or sounds distorted, re-download from the library, check the file format and sample rate, or convert to WAV.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.